Good morning, guys. I want to show you my garden here, and this I do without my microphone and adapter that I connected to my Dji Osmo Action. I use a microphone and adapter. I will connect it very soon, in 1 second, just to going to show you the difference between the sound with and without mic. So remember, this is without the microphone, the way I talk now, and I'm talking behind the camera, as you can see, but my microphone, it's pointed backwards, but it's not connected. So let's connect it now, and we walk down to the sea, which looks more like a sea and not a frozen ice like it was last week. So there we go, connect the microphone. Now you have the microphone connected, and it's come a symbol of a microphone on the top of the screen, so you can see the level of the microphone. The microphone I use, it's a Rode microphone with a wind blocker. So let's walk down, and then I'm gonna see it a little windy, so you may be gonna hear some wind or maybe not. So let's walk down, and then when we talk, you're gonna see the difference between with the microphone and without the microphone. This is the first test that I do, so it's not maybe a big difference, I don't know, but when I edit the video I will see. But I'm sure there might be a difference between with and without. It cannot be the same, but let's see if you notice the difference between with the microphone and without the microphone. So there we go down to the sea here. It was frozen last week, now it's all melt down, and now you're gonna see all beauty of view and the water. Just a week between all ice, and people was walking on this water when it was frozen and do ski. It wasn't so safe to do that. The police haven't confirmed it that it's safe, but we go to another place and done some ice skating. But as you can see here, no memory of the frozen sea from just a week ago. That's amazing. So let me know what you think about the sound difference, if you see any difference, if you notice any difference, if you hear any difference in my sound. And stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be, I can give you a small spoiler, a GoPro camera bag. Stay tuned, and looking forward to release the GoPro camera bag video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comment below, and I will see you very soon. Bye bye.